All right, folks, this is my 2007 KLR 650. Has been giving me a lot of issues. Um, what I had to do was clean the carburetor. I cleaned the carburetor, put it back on. I also put the fuel filter here, right here. Change the lines. First time when I did this, I pulled the fuel filter upside down. Guess what happened? I had to take out my carburetor again and clean it again and put it back in. And this time I had to put the fuel filter the right way. Also, I noticed my petcock was leaking. If I take this out, petcock just drips. And I can't, without the fuel filter, I can't connect it directly because fuel is spilling everywhere. So I had to use the fuel filter. Somehow that resolved that issue. Um, all right. But here, this video is regarding the issues that I was having with starting the motorcycle. When after putting the carburetor back in, I had to jump start the battery. Somehow it messed up with the fuses or the circuits. So I would turn the key on, and it would show the all the lights. The front light will headlight will turn on, but it would not start. So like, as you can see, it's in neutral and it doesn't start. If the issue was with the these fuses right here, which is under the seat, then even these lights will not turn on. So it wasn't the fuse, but I checked it. I had to do something right here. The relay right here, and the solenoid. Here's the solenoid that's connected in this. Initially, I thought it was the relay. One way of hot wiring this motorcycle is taking something metal and connecting this this bolt with the bolt that's behind it, and it will jump start it regardless of if the key is in the ignition or not, or if it's turned on or off. It'll just start it. I ordered this part, but it wasn't the problem. The problem was the solenoid. So this thing right here. But I'm not gonna buy another part. I'm just gonna bypass these. What you do is right here. You have a black wire, and right next to it is the yellow wire. So front and back right there. So right here, this is the black, and that's the yellow. So you're going to connect these two, and the way I connected was with this, and then I also ended up putting a switch at the end. So I'm going to put the camera here. All right. So you connect these two. All right. So the wires are connected. It's hooked up to the switch, and the switch is in. Let's see if we can focus this. It's in off position. So the bike is on. Let's see if we can start it. Nope. So let's turn it on now. Okay. Now the switch is in on position, and I'm going to see if I can turn it on. It does. See, it turns. I think I might still have some issues with the battery. So but bike does turn and it will run. So there you go.